Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friends? This is the fourth video for creating quizzes online using Blackboard. In the last video, we create a quiz and we saw how can we manage this quiz, how can you let it appear to the students, what's the method, and we change the options for dealing with this quiz. This video, I will show you how can we create a questions inside this quiz. And we will choose the first type, which is a formula question. Click on the arrow that will appear beside the links of the quiz. The list will pop up to you, and this pop-up window you will see the list. One of the selections available in these windows, it's saying that edit the test or edit the test options. The difference here, as we mentioned before, the first one editing the questions, the second one, which is test options, editing the appearance for the quiz and the times of the quiz and managing it. Now let's go to editing the question, edit the test. Click on it. A new module will come to you. There is a tab above here. It has its own menu. Upload questions if you have a question written in text format, or reuse another question available in other sections. You can also create it, or create new question inside your module. Calculated formula. This is my choice. Now this is the question. The benefit here of Blackboard will comes to you. Now this is the question here as a type formula type, as I mentioned, as formula types. If a liquid has a height 3 meter and its density is 890 kilogram per meter cube, what will be its hydrostatic pressure? This is the question. And the answer, formula answer, no, which is B, pressure, equal rho, which is density, multiply gravity, acceleration of gravity, and multiply the heights. Simply, just substitute it. It will give me 89 kilogram per meter cube and multiply by 9.8 meter over second square, and the height will be 3 meters. Of course, the answer of pressure will be 26197.3, something like that, kilogram over meter in second square, or you can say approximately equal 26.2 kilo Pascal. This is the answer, formal answer for us. Now I can utilize this formula. I will write this part only. I will write this part only inside the question, not this, only this part, in order to find the answer for P, or pressure. Return back to our quiz here. Let us select this question. I will copy it here. Of course, this feature does not appear to us, so we'll return back to Control V to paste it. If a liquid has a height, you remember, it's 3 meters. But in these times, in order to create many versions for the same question, instead of writing a number, I will write variable. Square bracket, x, indicating for height, meters, and its density is square bracket y for density, for the density y, which is kilogram per meter cube. What will be the hydrostatic pressure? This is the formula. You remember that we wrote that pressure equal density, which is expressed here by y, multiply, this is the multiplication sign, the acceleration of gravity 9.8 meter per second square, of course I cannot write the unit here, multiply the height, which is here x. We express it in x. This is the formula. Now the answers will be pressure P. Go to the next step. This is the beauty of Blackboard. What's the range minimum value for variable x, which is the height? So I will say, okay, the minimum will be 1.5, maximum will be 5.4. For the pressure, I will, let's say, for the density, I will say it 480 kilogram per meter cube. This is the minimum, and maximum allowable variation is 1250. The approximation is 2 decimal after the point, 2 decimal after the point. Also, the calculated answer also 2 decimal after the point. Number of the sets, that means how many versions from the same question you will create. For me, I will create 35 versions. Correct answer format, in normal format or in scientific format? No, it's normal format. Calculate. And you will see the results. See, 35 versions. Question with different givens values. And it will give you 35 different questions. See the approximation. It's just only 2 decimal places. This is the beauty of Blackboard. Now, submit it. We already created this question previously. Which just comes here. Quiz number 2.1. See the quiz? See the same question but different request. I'm asking them, instead of finding the pressure, I want to ask them to find the density. And this is the formula to calculate the density. Now there are answers and here points here. You want to change the points? It's up to you. You can change the points. Just put it 20. Submit the regrading. Yes, no, as you like. We change the grades as 20 grades. Okay. I will stop here and we'll continue for the coming videos. Thank you for listening and waiting me for the next video. Assalamu alaikum.